Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to verify the licenses on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you are running into an error where you cannot play the games on your PlayStation 5 or you can't connect to the server, well, try verifying the licenses first. Go up to the top to Settings and select this, and then scroll on down to Users and Accounts. Then go on down to Other and go to Restore Licenses. Restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. Let's select this. If you become unable to use content you download from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for that content. Try restoring them. So let's go to Restore right here. And it'll take about 2 to 3 minutes to restore all your licenses. For me, I have about 1,000 licenses I have to restore. So after I do this, my locked games should become playable. Then go ahead and back out here and go to Console Sharing and Offline Play. Allow anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 to play your games and media even when the console is offline. So let's select this and make sure this is enabled. If you already have it enabled, try disabling it and then re-enabling it. So you'll share your account with all the games and PlayStation Plus with your other accounts on your PlayStation. So like my main account right here, my PlayStation Plus will be used on all these other accounts as well, and all my other games can be shared with them. And if you are still having problems with the game, try deleting it and re-getting it back on your PlayStation. Now, when you go ahead and re-download it, there might be multiple versions of it. So if I go back to the game library, go to my collection right here, and then select the correct version of the game. So you can see I have the PS4 and the PS5 versions right here. Select the PS5 version and download this back to your console. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.